Hi, welcome to KidLivZ. This is my brother Darshan. In 2017, Darshan was having a treatment for cancer, and our family learned how the food he ate helped him to get better. We worked with our nutritionists, who helped us to understand which foods would help support Darshan to survive his treatment and his cancer. Since then, Darshan has led our family to give unhealthy foods a chop. We want to help other kids make good choices about what they eat. So these videos tell you all about the foods that we've chosen to eat. Darshan and I have a huge amount of fun learning and experimenting to cook. We hope you enjoy watching and we inspire you to do the same. Oh, and by the way, I'm Anise.
Well,
Mommy, you can't just embarrass us.
Well,
it's in front of the camera.
Hello, welcome back to KidLivZ.
Yes, welcome back to KidLivZ. Wait, no, I was about to say Happy New Year. Today's recipe is spicy beef tacos, but instead of taco shells, we're doing lettuce.
This recipe is by Hugh Fearnley-Whittingstall and it's from his book Light and Easy. I had a make-a-wish and I'm going to make a recipe from his book and I'm going to meet him this year, so I can't wait.
I've got this on low heat and I'm just cooking this oil until it's nice and warm. I think it's warm enough now. This beef needs to go in here.
You might need some teamwork here. And then it'll just flop on.
So we really like grass-fed beef because grass-fed beef means that the cows eat what they're designed to eat. And cows that eat what they're designed to eat means that those cows are healthier cows as well, which means that that ingredient's healthier for you.
So this needs to go on here to brown for about 5 minutes. So you just want to go like this so that there aren't any big chunks of beef. I'm going to be adding some garlic. You need to almost mince the garlic. You can't just have giant chunks. You need to have them into tiny pieces, all right? Now, I'm gonna try a bit. Wait.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Strong.
So garlic's a really great food. Not only is it really good for your immune system and also your heart, it also keeps the vampires away as well.
That does not smell good. So for the bashed beans, I'm going to mash it with a potato masher, and that is 3 cloves of garlic that I've got here. I've got a big pot today, and I'm just going to put that in the pan.
I've toasted in a pan coriander and cumin seeds mixed together.
So we like cumin seeds because they're a natural source of iron, and iron's something that helps your body to make energy. Cumin seeds can also stimulate digestion, so it makes it easier for you to break down your food.
So the garlic in the beans pan has been going for about 1 to 2 minutes, so I'm going to add these beans. I've got a mixture of butter beans and borlotti beans. Butter beans and borlotti beans. That's just going to go in the pan with the garlic. When you add the beans, add a bit of salt and pepper. The reason why we toasted the spices is so that, Anise, we're just going to have to clear it up. But it only happens to the best chefs, don't worry, Anise. Hopefully when you do this recipe, this won't happen. Of course, that's hot.
Yeah, I know, but it's like sizzling.
Can we have a little bit of help? This only happens... Wait, is Mummy going to appear on the show, please?
No, not this time.
Add 225 ml of stock, so let me work this out. So it will be on 175. Good with my maths. And then I am going to leave the beans to simmer.
Now we're just draining the fat because
we want crispy beef.
We want crispy beef, not like soggy, wet, sloppy beef. So we don't want to take any of the beef out. So we just want to... Right, now I'm gonna put this away.
I'm gonna mash these beans.
Now I've added in a clove of garlic finely chopped, and I'm just going to add in half a teaspoon of chili flakes, pepper and salt. And we're going to leave this for 10 minutes.
I might take a tiny bit of stock out. Hugh doesn't say this in the book, but I'm going to say this. If you need more seasoning, I would taste. So I'm going to say try and taste for seasoning. That's actually perfect. When you're cooking this, you can't let anyone else try it. It's the chef's privilege, okay? So get that right.
When you're tasting, you've got to be aware that it will burn your mouth if you're not careful.
Is it just me, or did you just say beware?
Yeah.
Beware, to be cautious and alert to risks or dangers.
When you've got the beans, you don't want it liquid. If you think of butter, you don't want it melted. You want it like almost creamy, if you know what I mean. Does that make sense?
There goes in the old paprika. So that is a teaspoon of old paprika.
Wait, have you put the spices in? You needed all of it. You always need a brother to remind you, just saying.
But you don't have a brother who reminds you.
Exactly. That's because I'm a brother. The brother knows everything. Hey, that was my bean spoon. I think this is almost about ready to serve. Here, we have some, what are these called? Gem lettuce, which we have taken apart already.
So we peel it off like this.
Oh, that's too small.
That's way too small. Lettuces about this big.
Lettuce leaves, not lettuces.
Lettuce leaves.
We're going to clear up a bit.
Cleared up.
Okay, now
So
I'm going to chop this coriander.
Darcy's going to chop that coriander.
Just chop it.
So now I'm going to start serving this.
No, I'm
and
serving
this.
the beans. Can you put some things on the? Can you put some things on the plate? We need to collaborate, okay?
Yeah, we are.
So I'll show you how to do one, and then you can fast forward this bit.
So that's bash beans.
Be generous with it. Just like little, not loads, but then you can spoon a good bit of crispy beef.
We're going to fast forward this bit. It's always good to check that it tastes good, otherwise we have to do the whole thing again. Oh. Right, so coriander, lime, don't miss out any. Right, we're gonna take 2 boats each, down it. It's like it's upgraded since we last ate it. So, this recipe has slow carb, low GI, antioxidants, and fibre. But for now, that's it from us. Bye! GLG for the B George. Bye, G.